SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, lets you automate repeatable business processes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to start a free trial account using the SAP Business Technology Platform. On the SAP Intelligent RPA trial page, click Register for Free. If you're a new user, enter the required details to create a new SAP ID. If you already have an SAP ID, log on with your email address and password. On the SAP BTP Cockpit page, click Go to your trial account. A global account and space have been created for you. In the navigation area of your global account, click Boosters to find the booster you'll use to set up your sub-account. Click the SAP Intelligent RPA tile to enter its overview page. And then click Start. Wait until the booster has finished setting up your sub-account. When the booster has finished, navigate to your sub-account by clicking Navigate to Sub-account. Click Instances and Subscriptions to find your subscription to SAP Intelligent RPA. If you click on the icon, you can log on to the Cloud Factory and start working on your project. SAP Intelligent RPA requires desktop components. Click Useful Links, then Tools to open the SAP Development Tools page. Before downloading the on-premise components, make sure to install the required prerequisites, including Microsoft Visual C++ and remote tools for Visual Studio. Go to the Cloud tab and click the Download link in the SAP Intelligent RPA section. You can now install the desktop agent on your computer. Once the installation is done, start the desktop agent and log on with your email and password. You can now use the three components of the SAP Intelligent RPA suite. The Cloud Studio is where you design and edit your projects. The Cloud Factory supports you with process orchestration. And the Desktop Agent lets you run your bots. For information on how to configure and use these components, go to the SAP Intelligent RPA page on the SAP Help Portal.